What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, unboxing fans? What's up? This is your buddy London and Hawthorne here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from, I believe, Amazon Prime from Lexington, Kentucky, all the way to where I live in South Bend, Indiana. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. Please subscribe, please share, and check out some of my other ones. Hit that notification bell so you can find out when I do my next video. Unfortunately, I'm not sponsored by any other products that are in this or Amazon itself, but I would love to be. Holler at your boy. If you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at London Hawthorne. You can also go to riptapparel.com or onceuponat.net. That's RIPT apparel.com. And find your shirts of choice. Save about $3 off every shirt if you use my username London Hawthorne when you're checking out. I must have accidentally ordered 2 of these, but I got blueberry muffin Quest bars. Every time I try a new protein bar or protein shake, I will do a review, so look out for that. Click on my username and type in protein bar review, taste test, Quest, whatever, and if I've done a review, taste test, you will see it. Do you have a favorite protein bar? Leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Next up, we've got Jack's Links jerky. They put it in another box. Are you a Jack's Links fan? I'm a big fan. It's probably my favorite brand of jerky. It's affordable. I don't want to say it's cheap, because it's not cheap. But it's more affordable than a lot of brands, and not to disparage any other brand that might want to sponsor my videos, but I like the flavor profile. I like the consistency. It's not like just like a hot dog consistency. So I ordered 2 sweet and hot beef jerkies, one of my favorite flavors. I haven't found a flavor of Jack's Links that I don't like. Wink, wink, Jack's Links. Holler at your boy. Let's do another jerky. I got this big case. This is probably more like a grocery store, convenience store type case, but I ordered this big pack. But I'm a big fan of, I get bored, so I like to try different flavors and have to-go snacks. Pre-COVID, I was doing a lot of road trips, and jerky was a great snack. Now thankfully I have a couple of road trips hopefully ahead of me, and I'll be able to utilize this jerky a lot more. But yeah, it's just been kind of like I've just been snacking on jerky. So I got a whole box. I think there's like 48 in here. But just a nice little low carb snack. There's 2 carbs. 140 calories, but there's like 40 of these in here. Just some cheese and some jerky. And last but not least for this video, move my very sharp knife. We've got this Premier Protein protein shake. This is caramel. Do you say caramel or caramel? Let me know. What's your favorite jerky, by the way? Leave a comment below. What's your favorite Jack's Links jerky? Anybody want to sponsor my videos, holler at your boy. So I got a whole case of these caramel Premier Proteins. I'm a big fan of Premier Protein. I love it. It's quick. It's affordable. 4 carbs, 1 dietary fiber, so it leaves with 3 net carbs. 160 calories. I mean, it's great. It's not a meal replacement, but that's usually my breakfast 5 days a week at work with a fruit, usually banana. That's usually my go-to every day. What do you guys do? Leave a comment below. Let me know if you recommend something, and I'm more than happy to check it out. I wish you the best. Have a great day.